I want to celebrate myself. I did it. This is not going to be one of those videos that gets recorded and never posted. It's not. Welcome to my world. Channel your inner strength. Hello. My name is Rose and I am your wellness and empowerment coach. I want you to just take a deep breath with me. Because oftentimes we feel like we're not alive and well, but I want this deep breath to signify that you are alive and you are well. In through your nose. Hold 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and out. You're alive and well. I want you to take a moment and just sit in gratitude. I've been noticing that gratitude cures a lot of things. You can't be sad and grateful at the same time, as well as fearful and grateful at the same time. When you're in gratitude, you see the good things in life. You see that things are not as bad as you thought they were. There's an exercise that I do, and I want to share it with you. I do it with my clients, and it's always amazing because it allows you to celebrate yourself for what you did. So I want to go first. I want to celebrate myself for making this video. I want to celebrate myself. I did it. This is not going to be one of those videos that gets recorded and never posted. It's not. I celebrate myself. I've made up my mind. And listen, when I make up my mind, I make up my mind. It's just a done deal. I'm gonna stop sitting on good content. Stop being afraid of doing the things because I can't make it perfect. I think the biggest thing now is that I've done so much work that I'm ready to share with the world what's going on, what I've been doing, what I've been up to, how to channel your inner strength, how to recenter yourself. Because today, I recentered myself. When I tell you I recentered, I recentered. And I'm so excited to share workshops, workbooks, courses. It's going to be so fun. The thing that I am grateful for the most today is that I'm using my voice. Oof. I found my voice, you guys. I found it. I've been looking for it for a good while. I found her. And in the process of me looking for her and on that journey, I learned so much. I learned how to channel my inner strength. I learned how to build my discipline muscle. I learned how to set boundaries. My voice was just the final key. I'm so grateful that I found my voice. I'm grateful that I can say that I'm my true authentic self. You have to allow yourself to exhibit the behavior and then course correct afterwards with no judgment. My self-sabotaging behavior is me wanting everything to be perfect, to be mapped out, for all the dots and stuff to connect. In all reality, that's not possible. I'm waiting for the perfect time to start creating content. There's no better time than now, or else I'll be waiting another 5 years. And when I tell you, I've been sitting on my business for a very long time. I want us to remember that we are indeed alive and well. Everything is working in our favor. Everything is happening the way it's meant to happen. You just have to believe it. It really does start with belief. How you see yourself, what you believe you can do. It's important for us to calibrate and recenter. For my people who have been asking, how do I meditate? How do I sit still? How do I take care of myself in the smallest way possible? This is it. It's 10 minutes long. So it's a perfect amount of time to allow yourself to stop, to breathe, to be present, to check in with yourself, to see how you're doing physically. Yes, there's different areas. There's 4 of them. Check in with yourself. See how you're doing physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. There's 4. We're whole and complete humans. So we have to check in with ourselves in all of the areas of life. It's so important. So use the song to recenter yourself. It's the little things that matters. It's the little things. It doesn't take so much. You have 10 minutes to breathe. You have it. You can do it. You absolutely can. Take care of yourself. Before I leave you, I want to tell you one important thing. When I realized how to mother myself, everything started to come together better. Now I was taking care of myself on another level. I became more compassionate towards myself. I gave myself more grace. I gave myself more permission. Permission to create content. Stay tuned. This is the first of many's. I was looking for the perfect way to do this, and there's no such thing. Create a script and be flexible. That's it. Be flexible. Ease and flow. Let the spirit guide you. On that note, thank you so much for spending time with me. As always, life is all about problems and solutions. It's the way that you move through them that ultimately matters. Have a beautiful day.